Hello guys, usual video from my car as every Saturday. So on YouTube channel now I'm going through the inertia course day by day, publishing videos, but on Saturday we still talk about dev career. And topic of today, I want to talk about freelancing. While I'm publishing the course about inertia on YouTube, I use that time to write an ebook about my freelancing experience, roughly 15 years or so. And today I want to ask you a question. Do you want and can you freelance? Because it seems like heaven on earth. So you can plan your time whenever you want, you can work with whatever clients you want, you can earn as much money as you want, and you're not working 9 to 5, you're free from traffic, and freelance seems like an escape from a full-time job for many of them. For many developers, freelance seems like a way out from full-time job. But think about it. When you work at a company as a full-time developer, you are just a developer, a coder, in most cases, in most typical cases. So you get the tasks from your manager or your client directly or from your teammate, and you write code. You may or may not be responsible for actually delivering that code, for deploying it to client. Maybe some other teammates do that for you, but basically your responsibility ends at coding, at technical stack and stuff like that. Now imagine the life of freelancer. First, they need to get the client. To get the client, they have to sell themselves. So the first job is salesman, not even coding. To sell themselves, they actually need to build a portfolio, present themselves, for example, on their website or jobs like Upwork, job boards. So it's a marketing game. So marketing and sales comes before the coding. Next, they land the client. They need to come up with a plan of action and manage all of the project before coding. So talk to client about requirements, about what exactly to do, what not to do, how to price everything, negotiation process. So negotiating and client management, again, all before starting to code. And then during the project, typically freelancer is responsible for all the process, for delivering not only the code, but the project itself, the features, the deployment, the testing, everything. And again, all includes dealing with the client, with issues, not only technical issues, but negotiating with the clients the new features. Some misunderstandings often happen, so a lot of negotiations along the way, including money negotiations, scope negotiations, deadline negotiations, and stuff like that. And then finally, of course, freelancer is kind of like entrepreneur, a business person. After finishing the project, they need to take care of stuff like taxes, running their business, because they're usually either self-employed or have their own company to run everything like this. So a lot of business processes are involved after finishing the projects. So if you think that freelancing is running away from 9 to 5 job to more freedom, in a way it is freedom to potentially earn more, choose what to work on, but at the same time it gets much more difficult to perform the work which is outside of coding. So instead of being a coder, a developer, now you are all in one person from start to finish, running on yourself. So my overall question, as the video title says, so you think you can freelance? The first milestone of any freelancer, of course, is to land first client, and then you would feel what it is to freelance. But ultimately, to be a successful freelancer, it's much more difficult than some people think. And again, I'm writing a book about it, so I will talk about all of that in details, including my own story. So subscribe to this YouTube channel if you haven't already. I will tell all the news there. And also follow me on Twitter. I usually publish all the news there. I thought about creating a special landing page with subscribing to some email list, but I think people get a lot of emails anyway, and I don't want to be another person spamming you with updates. So Twitter and YouTube, follow me there, and you will get all the information when the book is released. That's it for this time, and see you guys in other videos.